Hey everyone! Each incident comes with an element of surprise. Unexpected phenomena like raining trees, river foam, and floating trees add a sense of wonder. The awe-striking elements keep the viewer on the edge, wondering what bizarre occurrence will appear next. A sequence of nature's most intense and unexpected moments, emphasizing the power and unpredictability of the natural world. The film maintains a fast pace by quickly transitioning between intense moments. This high-energy pace keeps the audience engaged as they are continually surprised by the next incredible scene. Inspired by nature's most amazing and rare displays, with scenes that defy logic, leaving viewers amazed at how unpredictable and powerful the natural world can be. Playing with them today, only a perfect circle surrounds them. It seems like we don't see each other. Sometimes, nature makes you its main character. Is the mind-boggling scene you're still standing in awe of a natural phenomenon or something supernatural? Nature sure knows how to keep us guessing.